Hey, man, we got a golf cart here. It don't matter, E-Z-GO club car. It don't matter what kind of golf cart it is, car, truck, it don't matter. I'm gonna show you how to test the key switch. You can see here, we have a 4-post key switch, all right? I'm gonna show you how to test it and see how you wire it up. Now, first thing you wanna do is take your voltmeter. After you hit that subscribe and like button, put your voltmeter ohms, all right here. And I'm gonna press it. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stick my lead ends together, my meter ends together. I'm gonna get them together. So I'm gonna stick them like that there. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit my button here until it changes, until you hear a beep. All right, you hear the beep. Then when you take it apart, it quits beeping. All right, touch again. You can hear it beeping. All right, so what we're gonna do is test this switch to see exactly which two wires we want to put the car on versus the accessory lights or your radio, whichever you want to do it. I like wiring this up for a radio too, because if you got a radio on there, when you turn the key off, you won't forget about the radio and kill your battery. All right, so I'm gonna take my meter, one in here, one in here. And I'm gonna take my key switch and turn it one click. Key on, and you can hear it buzzing. So that tells me that these two here are for your running side. So whenever I turn the second click on the key switch, when I turn it twice, I'm gonna turn it twice. You can hear it clicking there. All right. So if these two here are your accessories, these two are your running side. Now, if you look at it too, if you look at it on the back of your key switch, you got, where's it at? The I, L. So L and I go together. And then we got another L here. And B1, which is load and B1. So the L and the I is gonna be your load, your first load. So what I'm gonna do is say it one time, I'm gonna wire this too. For your key switch, these two here for your accessories. All right, but stay tuned, man.